The Panasonic WES9173P Outer Foil is an essential replacement part for maintaining the peak performance of your Panasonic ARC5 shaver, ensuring a consistently smooth and comfortable shaving experience. Crafted from premium Japanese stainless steel, this outer foil employs a unique arched design that keeps close contact with the skin, allowing for a quick and efficient shave. The hypoallergenic properties of the WES9173P foil make it suitable for sensitive skin, minimizing irritation while delivering a clean shave. Installation is remarkably simple, as the foil is custom designed to fit seamlessly with specific ARC5 models, allowing users to easily snap it into place. The precision engineering of the micro-thin foils allows them to effortlessly cut through various hair types, enhancing the overall effectiveness of the shaving process. Regularly replacing the outer foil once a year is recommended to maintain optimal grooming performance and comfort, as the high-quality construction ensures durability and reliability.